Good morning. I wanted to give you a quick update on how to find your assignments. Go to the Language Arts classroom, scroll down to week 9. It looks different again. I hope this is more simple than the last try. Watch the video introduction. There is a folder that says weekly assignments for all students, whether you are virtual or hybrid. If you are hybrid and you come to school on Monday and Tuesday, on Thursday and Friday, you will open this blue folder and do everything in it. It's up to you how much you do on each day. Do what works best for you. If you are a virtual student, you will open up the blue folder and you will do all the assignments in it. It is up to you to schedule your time. If you are a virtual student, you also must do the green folder. Virtuals do both folders, hybrids only the blue folder. Inside the blue folder is this long list of assignments. Just start at the top and do them one at a time. Some are videos, some are Common Lit assignments, some are writing your journal, but just click through all of them one at a time. Virtual students, there will be additional assignments for you inside this green folder. These are the things that we're doing in the classroom, and I'm just recording it for you. So if you have any questions, please ask. See you later.